Good day. My name is Hail J. Palad. I am from Porokdosi, Balay, Tablon. I am 18 years old and am currently first year mechanical engineering in Capital University. As a first year mechanical engineering student, I am developing my problem solving skills, especially in calculus and in chemistry, and my critical thinking skills that is essential in the field. I have been consistently been an honor student from grade school to senior high school and was best recognized as a best entrepreneurial paper in my grade 12, reflecting my dedication and determination. So my ambition is to earn my degree, a mechanical engineering degree, become a registered mechanical engineer, and build a stable career for my family and for myself. 5 years from now, I see myself gaining experience as a intern or a employee in top company in the Philippines. For example, Ribisco, Del Monte, and Nestle. So I chose this course because I want to help creating solutions that improves lives through machines, technology, and innovation. Again, this is Harold J. Palad, a first year mechanical engineering student in Capital University. Thank you and good day.